हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस लर्न टुडे द ऑक्टल डिवीजन। ऑक्टल डिवीजन के लिए हमें दो कन्वर्जेशन को फर्स्ट याद करना पड़ेगा। फर्स्ट वन इज ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल, that is weight and magnitude method, and the second one is decimal to octal, which is divide by method. So let us learn this conversion. Okay, so let us learn with the example. हमारा एक नंबर है 127 डिवाइड बाय 3. So यहाँ पे आपको दो कन्वर्जेशंस करने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल, बिकॉज हम जो भी मल्टीप्लीकेशन अप्लाई करेंगे दैट विल बी ऑफ डेसिमल. सो यहाँ पे जो ऑक्टल नंबर दिया गया है दिस इज, उसको हम कन्वर्ट करते जाएंगे डेसिमल में एंड देन वी विल डू द कैलकुलेशन, और जो भी आंसर मिलेगा उसको हम फिर से कन्वर्ट करेंगे डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल. ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. Now 3 octal is equals to 3 decimal, both the values are same. If we talk about this one 1, so 1 is less than 3, so division is not possible. So let us consider first two digit, that is 1 2. 1 2 is an octal. So now let us convert this octal into decimal. So weight and magnitude 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to 0 is equals to 8 plus 2. The answer is 10. So now let us divide this 10 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. What is the remainder? 1. अभी हमको ये 3 जो भी आंसर मिला है उसको कन्वर्ट करना है ऑक्टल में, बिकॉज 3 इज योर डेसिमल, बट 3 डेसिमल इज इक्वल्स टू 3 ऑक्टल. दोनों का सेम ही आंसर है. सो वी विल पुट 3 एज अ आंसर एंड वी विल पुट 1 एज अ रिमाइंडर. सो यहाँ पे यू कैन राइट द डिफरेंस, दैट इज 1 2 minus 1 1, you get the remainder 1. Now by the rule this 7 is down, so again you get the second octal number, that is 1 7. Let us convert it into decimal. So 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to 0, so 8 plus 7, so answer is 15. So now let us divide this 15 by 3. So 3 5s are 15, so remainder is 0. If we convert this answer 5 into octal, the answer is as it is 5, and here remainder is 0, so we will write 1 7 as it is. So this way first you can convert octal to decimal and then decimal to octal. Okay, so let us understand the same division with the second example. 7 5 6 divide by 6. So first of all, this 6 octal is equals to 6 decimal. Now for this, if we talk about this 7, so 7 is greater than 6, so 7 octal is equals to 7 decimal. So division is possible. 6 1s are 6, remainder is 1. So we will put this 1 as an answer and remainder as a 1. यहाँ पे आप 6 लिख सकते हो because remainder एक ही मिला है. Now by the rule this 5 is down, so what about your octal number, that is 5 8. Let us convert it into decimal. So that is 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 5 into 8 raised to 0. That means 8 plus 5. The answer is 13. So now let us divide this 13 by 6. So 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 1. So 2 octal is equals to 2 decimal. Both are same. So 2 is your answer and remainder is 1. So यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो 1 4 if you want. And by the rule this 6 is down. So let us do 1 6 octal into decimal. So 1 into 8 raised to 1 plus 6 into 8 raised to 0. That is 8 plus 6. Answer is 14. So now let us divide this 14. 14 is a decimal number. Let us divide this 14 by 6. So again 6 2s are 12, remainder is 2. So put 2 as an answer and 2 as a remainder. You can write the difference. Okay, so this way you can perform the octal division. So first convert your octal number into decimal and then whatever answer you get, convert it into octal. So 2 conversion is required over here.